Founded in 2011, Ningbo Ningjiyu Li Fluid Equipment Company Limited specializes in manufacturing hydraulic adapters, fittings, ferrules, nuts, and sell to worldwide. And our factory is certificated by ISO 9001-2015. Our history of collaboration with our customers for specially designed hydraulic applications has established NJ as an industry-preferred source for customer-specific manufactured adapters. Our products apply to construction, agriculture, mining, industrial equipment, and more. And our main market is America, Canada, Australia, Europe, South America. We also sell to Middle East market like Dubai. NJ has a large inventory for storage adapters and fittings in 20,000 SMQ. From the time we receive your order until it arrives at your facility, we are committed to meeting your deadlines and delivery requirements. We offer the broadest range of adapters in the industry, more than 25,000 different types. We carry steel, stainless steel adapters and fittings, flanges, and OEM products from 1/16 inch to 3 inch, which meet the SAE, British, or DIN standards. Our goal is to provide products as fast as possible, when and where you need them, which also helps you to keep your inventories and freight costs low. Whether you have an urgent or an ongoing order, send us an email. We deliver the fittings you want, along with the high quality, good service, and competitive price you deserve.